Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 useful English words about family and people.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
I will say the English word.
I will read one easy example sentence using that word.
1901. Ambition. My ambition is to start a business.
1902. Belief. I have a strong belief in education.
1903. Courage. It takes courage to try again.
1904. Creativity. Art encourages creativity.
1905. Determination. Determination helps us succeed.
1906. Discipline. Learning English requires discipline.
1907. Effort. Your effort will bring results.
1908. Energy. I have more energy in the morning.
1909. Enthusiasm. She speaks with enthusiasm.
1910. Experience. Experience teaches valuable lessons.
1911. Focus. Keep your focus on your goal.
1912. Freedom. Education can give people freedom.
1913. Happiness. Family brings me happiness.
1914. Hope. Never lose hope.
1915. Imagination. Children have wonderful imagination.
1916. Inspiration. Her story gave me inspiration.
1917. Intelligence. Intelligence grows through learning.
1918. Kindness. Kindness can change someone's day.
1919. Leadership. Good leadership builds strong teams.
1920. Motivation. My goal gives me motivation.
1221. Patience. Success requires patience.
1222. Peace. We all hope for peace.
1223. Progress. I see progress in my English.
1224. Respect. Treat everyone with respect.
1225. Responsibility. Take responsibility for your actions.
1226. Success. Daily practice leads to success.
1227. Talent. She has a talent for singing.
1228. Trust.
Trust is important in friendship.
1229. Wisdom. Life experience brings wisdom.
1230. Achievement. Learning 2,000 words is a great achievement.
1231. Analyze. We need to analyze the problem.
1232. Apply. I will apply for the job.
1233. Arrange. Please arrange the chairs.
1234. Assume. Do not assume you know the answer.
1235. Compare. Compare your answer with mine.
1236. Consider. Consider all your options.
1237. Create. We can create a better future.
1238. Decide. I decided to study every day.
1239. Develop. Practice helps develop confidence.
1940. Discover. You can discover new opportunities.
1941. Evaluate. We need to evaluate the results.
1942. Examine. Examine the picture carefully.
1943. Improve. I improve my English every day.
1944. Increase. Reading can increase your vocabulary.
1945. Learn. We learn from our mistakes.
1946. Manage. Learn to manage your time.
1947. Organize. Organize your daily schedule.
1948. Plan. Plan your goals carefully.
1949. Prepare. Prepare for tomorrow today.
1950. Practice. Practice speaking English aloud.
1951. Recognize. Recognize your own progress.
1952. Remember. Remember why you started.
1953. Review. Review your vocabulary every day.
1954. Solve. Try to solve the problem yourself.
1955. Understand. Understanding takes time.
1956. Achieve. Work hard to achieve your goals.
1957. Believe. Believe in your ability.
1960. Continue. Continue even when learning is difficult.
1960. Encourage. Encourage yourself every day.
1961. Grow. We grow through new experiences.
1962. Motivate. Good habits motivate me.
1963. Overcome. You can overcome many challenges.
1965. Persist. Persist when the work is difficult.
1965. Reach. You can reach your goals.
1966. Succeed. Keep trying and you will succeed.
1967. Try. Never be afraid to try.
1968. Advance. Your English will advance with practice.
1969. Build. Build your vocabulary every day.
1970. Change. Small habits can change your life.
1971. Confident. I feel confident speaking English.
1972. Creative. She has many creative ideas.
1973. Determined. He is determined to succeed.
1974. Effective. This learning method is effective.
1975. Experienced. She is an experienced teacher.
1976. Flexible. Be flexible when plans change.
1977. Independent. I am an independent learner.
1978. Motivated. I feel motivated today.
1970. Positive. Keep a positive attitude.
1980. Prepared. I am prepared for the test.
1981. Productive. I had a productive day.
1982. Proud. Be proud of your progress.
1983. Successful. She became a successful business owner.
1984. Valuable. Your learning time is valuable.
1985. Willing. I am willing to learn.
1986. Capable. You are capable of learning English.
1987. Responsible. Be responsible for your learning.
1988. Focused. Stay focused on your goal.
1989. Patient. Be patient with yourself.
1990. Persistent. Persistent learners make progress.
1991. Lifelong. Learning is a lifelong journey.
1992. Opportunity. English creates new opportunities.
1993. Possibility. Every day brings a new possibility.
1994. Improvement. I can see a big improvement.
1995. Confidence. Speaking practice builds confidence.
1996. Fluency. Daily speaking improves fluency.
1997. Communication. English helps with global communication.
1998. Knowledge. Keep growing your knowledge.
1999. Accomplishment. Reaching this level is a big accomplishment.
2000. Congratulations! You learned 2,000 English words.
Excellent job!
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning.